My today's topic is carbohydrate. Pharmaceutical biochemistry BP 203T Unit 1st Carbohydrate. B Pharma 2nd Sem. Carbohydrates. Glucose provides energy for the brain and half of energy for muscles and tissue. Glycogen is stored glucose. Glucose is immediate energy. Glycogen is reserve energy. Carbohydrates. All plant food, milks, carbohydrates are not equal. Simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Sugar. Simple sugar carbohydrates. Sugar monosaccharides, single sugars, and disaccharides, 2 monosaccharides. Starch and fibrous. Polysaccharides, chains of monosaccharides. Simple carbs. Monosaccharides, all 6 carbon hexane, 6 carbon, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygen. Arrangement difference accounts for varying sweetness. Glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose, mild sweet flavor known as blood sugar, essential energy source, found in every disaccharide and polysaccharides. Sweetest sugar, found in fruit and honey, added to soft drinks, clears diastates. Hardly taste sweet, rarely found natural as a single sugar. Disaccharides, pairs of the monosaccharides. Glucose is always present. Second of the pair could be fructose, galactose or another glucose, taken apart by hydrolysis, put together by condensation. Hydrolysis and condensation occurs with all energy nutrients: maltose, sucrose, lactose. Maltose, 2 sugar units produced when starch breakdown not abundant. Sucrose, fructose and glucose. Taste sweet, fruit, vegetables, grains. Table sugar is refined sugar cane and sugar beets. Brown white powdered. Fibers, a structural part of plant, found in all plant derivative food. Bonds of fibrous cannot be broken down during the digestive process. Minimal or no energy available. Fibrous types: cellulose, pectins, lignins. Resistance starch, classified as fibrous, escape digestion and absorption. Fibrous characteristics: soluble fibers, viscous, fermentable, easily digested by bacteria in choline, associated with protection against heart disease and diabetes. Lower cholesterol and glucose level, found in legumes and fruits. Fibrous, insoluble and not easily fermented, promoted bowel movements, elevate constipation, found in grains and vegetables. Carbohydrate digestion, break down into glucose, body in able to absorb and use large starch molecules. Extensive breakdown. Disaccharides, broken ones. Monosaccharides don't need to be break down. Carbohydrate digestion, being in mouth, chewing releases saliva. Enzymes: amylase, hydrolase starch to polysaccharide and maltose. Stomach, no enzyme available to break down starch. Acid does some breakdown. Fibers in starch provide feeling of fullness. Small intestine, majority of carbohydrates digestion takes place here. Pancreatic amylase reduce carbs to glucose chain or disaccharides. Specific enzyme finish to job. Maltose into 2 glucose. Sucrose into glucose and fructose. Lactose into glucose and galactose. Large intestine, 1 to 4 hours for sugar and starch to be digest. Only fibrous remains attached water which softness stool. Bacteria ferment some fibrous water gas, short chain fatty acids used for energy. Carbohydrates absorption. Glucose can be absorbed in the mouth. Majority absorption in small intestine. Active transport. Glucose and galactic facilitate diffusion. Fructose. Similar rise in blood glucose. Lactose intolerance. More lactose is consumed than can be digested. Lactose molecules attached to water and cause floating abdominal discomfort, diarrhea. Intestinal bacteria feed on undigested lactose, produce acid and gas. Carbohydrates metabolism of body. Glycogen is stored in liver, released as glucose to bloodstream. First one is eat, intake glucose. Second, liver condenses extra glucose to glycogen. Third one is blood glucose falls. 4, liver hydrolyze glycogen to glucose. Glycogen is bulky, so we store only so much short term energy supply. Fat is the long term energy supply. Starch and fibers. Diet that include starch, fiber and natural sugars. Whole grains, vegetables, legumes, fruits may protect against heart disease and stroke, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, enhance the health of the large intestine, can promote weight loss. Thank you everyone.